Welcome to How Logical. Today, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Messenger account in a Windows device. Initially, open Microsoft Store on your device, then search for Messenger and hit enter. Now let's scroll down to Messenger, click on it and hit install. It's downloading, it might take some time. Messenger has been successfully installed. Click on open. Messenger has finally opened. There are two options available to us. You can either log in with Facebook itself or log in with phone or email. For now, I'm going to log in with phone and email. I click on it and enter my credentials. Let's hit enter. We have now successfully logged into our Messenger account. That's it for this video, guys. If you liked this video, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.